Welcome back to a new video, y'all. Welcome back to another human-made unboxing video. This one, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. 2 unboxed from human-made. I believe these from I think these from week 7 and 8, if I'm not mistaken. I caught some stuff. I've been sitting on a few things, been waiting for some other shit to come in, so I can just do it all at once instead of just unboxing one thing and that's it. So I decided to hold on to some of these packages until some other ones came in, but I got some fire in these boxes. When I say fire, I have fire, okay? House should be burnt down by now, how much fire I got in these boxes. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit that like button. Take 0.5 seconds to do. I know some of y'all probably ain't even logged into y'all actual YouTube account, but if you are, please do that. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you like the human-made content, let me know. I got more coming. I've been slipping. I still gotta do that. I ain't gonna say what video I gotta do, but if you watch my previous video, you know what, don't even worry about it. But I still got a video that I want to shoot that I never had a chance to shoot yet, and I had like big ideas for it, but it's gonna come. It's gonna come. So what else? I think that's it. But let's get to the unboxing. Also follow me on Instagram, link down below if y'all want to follow me, DM me, hit me up, shit like that. I'm not like the flashiest guy on Instagram, but hey, if you wanna chop it up with me, chop it up, hit me up, we can talk. Also, one thing before we begin, I'm trying to cut back a little bit on the cursing. I'm a cuss, but I'm not gonna say like crazy ass like cuss words. I'm gonna say ass and shit. I'm gonna say those for sure, but I'm trying to cut back on it. You know, I'm not trying to make it PG-13, but make it a little bit more grown and mature, you know, when it comes to these unboxings. But I will let some words slip every now and then because I may have a reaction that I just can't hold back from. I'm gonna just let it out and, you know, just put it all out there. Some shit I may just say. See, I just said shit, see. But anyway, yeah, let's get to unboxing. I got 5 boxes to unbox, so let's start it. All right, as you all seen from the thumbnail of the boxes that I got, I'm gonna unbox this one first. I hate this, but my address probably on there. But it's whatever. All right, so I ain't opened this yet, so don't worry. This came in this morning because I had some packages sitting at the doorstep, but JD retarded ass didn't get up and get them, but they was there when I got home. All right, first package I got from human-made was I just bought this on a whim. I ain't gonna say what it is until I open it and show you all. But first thing that I got, also, before I show you, it came in this little ice cream cone thing again. Dope shit, dope. All right, so what I had got, my first item would be the duck camo bandana. I thought it was pretty dope. I'm like, let me just buy it since I didn't get the chance to get the hoodie or the cargo pants. But I bought the bandana. It wasn't too much, it wasn't too bad. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. I'm pretty sure I figured something out. Somebody text me. Hold on. Yeah. Anyway, my bad, y'all. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. I may hold on to it, may resell it. Who knows? If you want it, hit me up. I got you. But yeah, that's it. What I got for that one. That's the first item that I got. So let's get to I ain't get to this one yet. I'm gonna wait. Get to this one because this one kind of heavy. I forgot what was in this shit. But what's in here? Oh, this came in the other day. I forgot all about this one. Oh. What's that, man? What's that? I don't know. What is it? Maybe a tea? Who knows? But oh my lord. Woo! This bitch. So what I got in this one, if you watch my weekly recap, I told you I copped this one and I'm glad I copped it. I got this in a 2X. No, I got in the XL because they didn't have 2XLs. Can't beat it. Got the duck on the front, says human made, dry alls at the bottom. But yeah, this should go hard. Yo, you know what? Hold on, let's switch these. Let's switch it. Hold up. Okay. I like that. Show y'all how it look on and maybe. Oh, this XL. It fits perfect, especially on like the cup, like the wrist. Perfect. I'll say one thing, like the feel of it feels different than the normal short sleeve tees that they drop. Like the material don't feel the same, but it's still like a soft material, and it's still pretty good quality overall, but it's not like the short sleeve tees they normally drop. But all right, good print on it, not too heavy, not too soft, just right. But yeah, I like this one. Yeah, I'm keeping this on for the rest of the video. And it look good on me. Also, I'm wearing these. So yeah, all right, let's get to the biggie. Actually, let's get to this one. I'm gonna go to the blue one before we get to that one. All right, so the next item that will be unboxed will be, again, if you watch my weekly recap, you know most of the stuff that I got because I told most of y'all what I was getting, what I had bought. So hopefully some of y'all was paying attention. And yeah, so this item would be, hold on, let me open it up before I tell you. You gotta build up to the suspense. You know, I know my energy been kind of like lackluster the past couple of videos because I've been getting out of work late, tired, not trying to be too loud, and there's fucking styrofoam going anywhere. That sucks. But yeah, I'm sorry. Like my couple videos have been like low energy and shit. But I'm gonna try to make it up to y'all with this video and the next video. So I'm shooting another video after this one, so stay tuned for that one. But it may come out before this one. So yeah. So what I got, if you tell that I'm shaking, you know what it is. You've been paying attention. You know, it'd be funny if I just keep shaking this shit, slip out of my hand and bust my TV. I'd be pissed. But anyway, I got the, oh, there we go. I got the duck, hold on. I got the duck snow globe. Look at that right there. Let me get the polar bear. Let the polar bear shake the bitches up. Got both of them. Let's freaking get it. But I noticed one thing with the duck and the polar bear. The duck has like red hearts in it, as you can see right there, and the polar bear has like just like regular white hearts, just sparkle a little bit. But yeah, I got both of the snow globes. This is fire. Keeping this one for sure. I got another one in the box right here behind me. I'm reselling that one, so if y'all want to buy this one, well, the other one that I got, feel free to hit me. I'll be reselling it. You better get it before I put it up on Grail, because when they go up on Grail, let me put it over here. Actually, put it right there. When they go up on Grail, yeah. Oh, I'm dark. Whoa, hold up. Bring it back, Matt. Bring it back. All right. Anyway, yeah, when we go up on Grail, it's gone. Like, what the price set is on, like, what the price is on Grail, that's the price. Hit me before I put it on Grail. I give y'all time to get at me before I put it up. When it's up on Grail, that's the price you're gonna pay. So I'm just giving y'all the head start and like jump in line and get a cheaper price. Just offer me a price, I'll sell it to you. All right, so we want to open. Well, we can open it, bump it. It's just the same. Well, do we have to open it? I just said if you get or if you buy it from me, that's the other. Never mind. Don't worry about that. But anyway, next box. All right. This one came in this morning because I seen it on the doorstep. I took a picture of it, so it should be on. I'll post it up because JD again didn't check the damn door for the mail. Had stuff from Human Made and Amazon come in, and that stuff could have been gone, and he wasn't even paying attention. What the hell? Oh, that's right. Okay, I'm tripping. Yeah, the other snow globe is in there. Is in this one, so I'm not gonna open it. I already just showed y'all. And the other thing that I got, when I tell y'all this, it's been a while since I actually worn like a long sleeve tee. When I say a while, I mean a while. But let me get it out of the way. I gotta clean all this shit up, and I still gotta do another video after this, because I was like, I'm gonna clean my room. I'm like, why would I clean my room now when I'm gonna fuck it back up by the unboxings? So I'm gonna wait until I do all these unboxings and then clean my room. But anyway, that's enough talking. I'm talking about a whole lot of nothing. So I got the what is it called? I think it's like the BMX long sleeve. They had a white and they had the navy blue version. Again, I said what I got in my previous video. Which one I got? If y'all see my weekly recap, and I got this one. Yeah, cop this one. I thought it was just so hard, so clean, so simple. I don't really have too many long sleeves again, so I won't count the crew necks that I got. But yeah, anyway, I wouldn't count the crew necks I got because those are just like sweaters, but long sleeve tees. These are the only two. Well, actually, this is a third. I only got 3 of them. I got my Juichi tees. If you know my brand, like an orange long sleeve tee. But anyway, it has the yellow heart in it. I thought it was just so sick. The way they designed the heart, I really like that. And simply, of course, Human Made. And on the side, on the sleeves, you got the 2. I think it's like 2 stripes. Yeah, like 2 stripes. on the sleeve with the heart again on the sleeve. And I just thought it was like a sick ass tee. I thought it was gonna be like a different material with this t-shirt, but it's just a regular, not like a regular long sleeve, but that's a long sleeve. I thought it was gonna be like a what texture I'm looking for? Like polyester? Is it polyester or something? Well, they like wear in BMX to ride, like when they ride BMX. That's what I thought the like the material is gonna be like. Again, I'm a casual. I don't know shit about shit when it comes to. Okay, I can use shit. I don't know shit about shit when it comes to fashion. I just like what I like. I get what I want to get. So if you're in here, somebody new, oh, yeah, what you talking about? Yeah, my name is Casual Mac for a reason. Damn, I'm just a casual. I just have fun with this. I'm not like fucking like Jacob Star, which is one of my favorite YouTubers when it comes to fashion. Dude is just fire how he put it fits together. But I'm not that well educated when it comes to fashion. I just get what I want, and if I like it, I'm gonna get it. I ain't gonna get it because everybody else get it. But anyway, I'm doing too much rambling. So this piece, I've been holding out for a while. I've been holding out. I've been waiting for this, but like, ooh, whoa. I've been waiting for this video specifically to show y'all. So I had to leave the best for last, and I didn't even tell y'all I got this. I ain't want it. Did I tell anybody? I think I probably told somebody about this. But this piece in this bag was well worth it. And if you like Human Made, I would suggest you get this, like get a piece like this. If they drop some more, or if you haven't got it from this past drop, I suggest you to look out in the near future to get one of these right here. Yes, finally. I got a Human Made jean jacket. Oh my lord. Yo, look at this. I'm excited right now. I'm sorry. I'm gonna turn up on 1,000,000 right now. All of this, focus, damn it. There we go. Stitched, embroidered in. Look at that. All this is embroidered in. And this right here, good lord. Yeah, this right here, yeah, the details are stupid. Stupid, y'all. When I tell y'all the details are stupid, let me put it on. And you know how like most jean jackets are, like when you put a jean jacket on, it's kind of stiff and kind of rigid. Not this. It's just like breathe. Like it. I don't know, dog. I don't even know the words I'm looking for, but yo. But anyway, ooh, shit. When JD get here, let me see if he can do some B-roll for me. Wearing this. This mother hard, y'all. And I got this in an XL because they sold out in 2XLs. So what I would say, hold on, well, okay, if y'all get a jean jacket, I got this in an XL. I'm kind of glad that I sized up, but I feel like the jean jackets fit true to size. So if you're gonna be wearing a hoodie up under this or anything like that, I would suggest go a size up. But I feel like if you go true to size, you're still gonna be perfect. So I think I'm just start going XLs with the jean jacket. So because I'm gonna be wearing hoodies up under this. But yo, this is not too heavy, it's not too light, it's just right. You can wear this motherfucker at any time of the night. Vessel bar, don't steal it, that's mine. But anyway, yes, I really love this. Let me get in with the details, man. Cause I ain't even been doing B-roll lately or shit like that. But look at this, man. Like the hearts are stitched in. Oh my lord. And then you would have on the buttons, of course, you focus, damn it. It says Human Made on a button. What else? Yeah, Human Made all over, yo. Like, I'm so damn excited that I got this. I like the way it fits. It's very loose fitting, not too tight. It's just right. Did I say that again? Did I just use that bar? Okay, you know, I gotta line up. But anyway, yo, I'm so excited that I got this damn jacket. Hold on, let me try to give y'all a better look at this. Hold up. Yeah, this right here, just perfect. Arm length, perfect. It's like, again, it should be coming about right here on the wrist, but about 1/4 inch up, still perfect. Hoodie up under this, perfect. So this is what it look like. Cause I've seen this hoodie in the not the hoodie, I keep saying hoodie. I seen the jean jacket in the lookbook, and I just said I had to get it. I had to get this. So I'm gonna tell y'all now, If y'all plan on getting a jean jacket, I will highly suggest get it. It may be pricey, but it's well worth the price. And yeah, but anyway, that's enough talking. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Greatly appreciate it. Catch y'all next video. Peace.